The Supreme Court on Wednesday granted anticipatory bail to former IAS trainee Pooja Khedkar, who stands accused of forging documents to gain eligibility for the 2022 Civil Services examination. A bench comprising of Justices B.V. Nagaratna and Satish Chandra Sharma directed Khedkar to fully cooperate with the ongoing investigation into the case of alleged cheating. This development comes amid firm opposition from the Delhi police, who argued that Khedkar had been uncooperative and that the charges against her were of a serious nature. Responding to these concerns, the Apex Court questioned the gravity of the allegations, observing, "She is not a drug lord or a terrorist. She has not committed 302. She is not an NDPS offender." The bench further remarked that a proper system or software should have flagged the issue earlier, adding that Khedkar, having already lost her job and future prospects, poses no flight risk. Taking stock of the circumstances, the court expressed that the Delhi High Court should have granted her bail in the first place. Last month, the Apex Court had directed Pooja to appear before the Delhi police for questioning on the 2nd of May. While assuring she would not be arrested, the court had also warned of drastic measures if she failed to cooperate. The Union Public Service Commission had earlier cancelled her provisional candidature, citing irregularities in her 2022 application. Pooja was subsequently debarred permanently from appearing in any future UPSC examinations. However, she has strongly denied all allegations leveled against her.
Supreme Court's directions, I have come here to help, to cooperate in the investigation. And exactly क्या investigation हुआ और क्या questions पूछे गए, I cannot reveal that because it is a part of an ongoing investigation. That is why वो तो मैं reveal नहीं कर सकती. लेकिन जो आप allegations की बातें कर रहे हैं, तो उसके बारे में मैंने जब से मुझ पे FIR हुआ है, उस दिन से I have submitted in every court, whether it is district court or high court, that I am ready to cooperate, and in every way possible, whether it is questioning, whether it is submission of documents, whatever it is, I am ready to cooperate. After that, even in Supreme Court, I filed an affidavit that I want to give my submission, and the police should call me for investigation. I had submitted an affidavit in court, and accordingly also the court has ordered the Delhi police to continue the investigation. And whatever my submission was, my statement, whatever documents I had, whatever proofs I had, I have submitted everything. And whenever they will call me for questioning again, I will be there. But whatever, let me tell you one thing in short, that whatever allegations have been made against me, that I have submitted a fake PH certificate, I have submitted a fake OBC certificate, it's completely wrong. I have been examined by UPSC's own board, by DOPT's own board, consisting of more than 12 doctors in both Safdarjung and in AIIMS, and both have certified my disability. And only then I have gotten into civil services examination. Secondly, whatever people are saying that I fled out of the country, I fled to Dubai, that is completely wrong. You can get my locations, you can get my passport history. I have been and I will be in India. And I will further cooperate with the investigation, and I'm very sure that justice will be on my side.
मैम, आपकी जो सर्विस को जो हटाया गया, उसके लिए आपने कुछ फाइल किया है?
Yes, मैंने CAT में फाइल किया है already because it was not done according to rules, and उसमें काफी सारे loopholes है, तो मैंने CAT में फाइल किया है और उसके hearings अभी चल रहे हैं. Let's see.